Okay guys, look what I found when I get home right now. The MARANTZ SR8012 is just arrived. We're gonna unboxing later on to see what we got in the box. So over here, we're gonna unboxing the MARANTZ SR8012. Whoa. Alright. Got a few manuals how to use it. Let's put this on the side. Right here, we got the labels. All the labels. We got the antenna and Bluetooth antenna. I believe this is the FM antenna, or probably, yeah, it's gotta be the FM antenna or AM, I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's put this on the side. This is a 3-port to put the Odyssey microphone right there. How you can install it. Let's put this on the side. We got the Odyssey microphone also. It's coming. Let's put this on the side. We got the power cord cable. We got the control and battery. This is how the control look. Let's take it out, this little boy. It's a little bit heavy, guys. It's a little bit heavy. Okay. There you go. Wow. Guys, I'm not even turned it on yet, and I really like it. Because what I can see back here is amazing. I mean, you guys don't see it, but let me show you. We're gonna go back in a second back there. So let's open this part, front panel, to see what we have inside this panel. All right. Oh, okay. All right. Sorry. All right. So we got dynamic AQ, dynamic volume. We got the home button. We got music, gain, info, speaker A and B, HDMI out, diameter, status, sound select, sound off and on, right here. So we got a phone. We're gonna set up mic for the Odyssey. We got over here USB, another USB port, auxiliary 4K, 2.2, and video input, left and right auxiliary input. All right, so let's see it over here in the top. See it over here in the top is the audio thyroid. Let's see back here, guys. This is the big boy. Wow, guys, it's amazing. I really like it. I really like it. Well, guys, thank you so much. Remember, if you like the video, push a thumbs up, hit subscribe for the next video, and I will test it out shortly. All right, see you guys later.